walk? What are the conditions to a perfect restorative walk?
This would be a little bit more meditative. Walk with not carrying anything, nothing on your back or on one side shoulder, but you're walking at a certain pace that you can get good arm swing and you actually fall into what's called momentum, so that the walk is carrying itself. If you can't get out in nature and walk, you have to have a wide enough space. So mall walking is perfect. What that unlocks is the reciprocal loading of the fascial sling. And when you load the fascial slings through reciprocal arm swings and long enough step length, you then essentially twist and untwist from a hydration perspective. You rotate and derotate the spine, the pelvis, the ankle, which goes into the leg. You get the circulatory pump all the way to the brain, which is very important from a cognitive perspective, from an endorphin perspective. I tell people if you could do that for 15 minutes, that would be a good accomplishment to do every day. And then from a shoe environment is the less cushion and less structure you have in your shoes, the more vibratory stimulus you get. It's very important for longevity and for healing in the immune system, and the autonomic nervous system is vibration.